Okay, now in this problem, the braking distance d meter for Alex car traveling at v kilometer per hour is given by the formula. Okay, so here the speed is in kilometer per hour and the distance we get is in meters. Okay, so when v is 0 times anything is 0, so I get d as 0. Then see here 40, you can cross check for v equal to 4040. If I substitute and solve for d, I will get 16. Okay, so I have to find for 20. So 20 um, for d, okay, we have to divide this whole thing by 200. I will say that I can write the formula. I will say that d is nothing but v times v plus 40 whole divided by 200. Okay, so when v is 20, it's 20 times 20 plus 40 is 60 divided by 200. So I get result as d as 6. So here my d is 6. Okay, then when I put v as 60, so 60 times 60 plus 40 is 100 divided by 200. So divided by 200 will give me answer as 3030. Okay, and finally 100. So 100 into 140, 100 into 140 divided by 200 is 70. Okay, this is 70. Uh, now graph between d and v. Okay, so when v is 0, d is 0. So let us first mark point when d is 0, v is 0. So this is 1 point. Then when v is 20, d is 6. So when v is 20, d is 6. So here 5 lines represent 10, 1 line represent 2. So 2 4 and 2 4 and 6. So here, somewhere here, I will get another point. Then when velocity is 40, I will get 16. So for velocity 40, I will get this is 10, 12, 14 and 16. So here, somewhere here. Then for 60, it's 30. So for 60, the value is 3030. I will 1 point, I will get 1 point here. For 80, it's 48. For 80, it's 48. So this is the point 48. For 100, it's 70. For 100, it's 70. So this is one more point. For 100, 70. And for 120, it's 96. For 120, it's 96. So this is 80, 90, 96. So 2, 4 and 6, 96. I get 1 point over here. Okay. Then what I will do, I will join all of them with a smooth curve. I will join all of them with a smooth curve like this. Okay. So here it will show a curve. It is not a straight line. It is a curvilinear path. Okay. So we have done the graph. We have filled this. Now find the braking distance when the car travel 110 kilometer per hour. So 110 kilometer per hour. This is 110 kilometer per hour. I have to find how much distance it covers. So let us go up and up and up. Okay, distance is in meters. From here, I will go on this side. So this value, let us first finish the graph. So this value is 84, 84, 84. So here, find the distance when car travel 110 kilometer. So the distance is what? It's 84, 84 meter. So here answer is 84 meter, and find the speed when the braking distance is 80 meter. So when braking distance is 80 meter, what is the speed? So for that, from here, this 80 meters, I will draw horizontal line which will cut this graph somewhere at this point. So from here I will go down So from here we will travel in the downward direction, and hence we will get a value which is 100, between 100 and 110. Each line indicates two more values, so it's 100, 2, 4, 6 and 108. So speed is 108 kilometer per hour. So speed is 108 kilometer per hour. Okay, so these are the questions. First question is to complete this table. So we have done this for 2 marks. Then we have to complete the graph, that is for 3 marks. So we have done the graph, and for calculating the distance when the speed is 110 kilometer per hour, we get 84 as the answer. 84 meter is the braking distance, and when the braking distance is 80, we get the speed as 108 kilometer per hour.